Hey guys, it's afternoon already. I woke up pretty late because I did wake up sometime in the night or early morning after sleeping at about 1:30, and then I slept after about an hour or so, and I woke up at about 11. Then I've been making some calls, watching some reels, uh, just thinking how to plan the day. My schedule is out of the park again. So yeah, that's a weird yeah. I'm going out for a couple of errands right now. I'll eat something and try a new cafe called Sehat Cafe somewhere around the house. And it's a no carbs day, so I'm gonna have protein. I'm pretty pissed that I've not yet hit my six pack, and I'm at a plateau for a while and I haven't lost weight beyond a certain plateau. I'm stuck about 62.5 and I had to hit 58. So I have to lose about 4 to 5 kilos, which is not happening, and that's irritating. Also, the reels are picking up very slowly. My channel is active, which is good. The comedy channel is active. This channel is active. But again, I think things will take their whole while. But I'm gonna keep going. But sometimes it irritates me that the things are moving at a slow pace, which I said in the day review also last night. So yeah, I'm gonna go out and eat something. I need to get a couple of picture cards done. So I need to find a photography studio. The one that I used to use earlier has shut down for some reason. So I need to find another photography studio. So I'm going out for a while. See you later in the day. Alright guys, I just had dinner at Naivedyam. This is Naivedyam restaurant. This is the one at Sun City. I stay close to Sun City, and I spent about an hour and a half in trying to get my parents' photo frame. And after that I came here. This is the first meal I had of the day. Since morning I only had namkeen and chai. So yeah, it's a good South Indian restaurant if you want to eat South Indian in a dine-in environment. Otherwise you can eat South Indian in several places. But if you want to eat South Indian in a dine-in environment, this is probably the best place I can recommend. Alright, bye. See you in a bit. And that's the bill. So one Uttapam cost me 263, which is reasonable in a good dine-in environment. So yeah, heading for the gym now. I'm feeling lousy again because I had late sleep last night. But yeah, I'm heading for the gym now. So I'm gonna do some gym, try and do some crunches. I really need to lose my belly fat, followed by boxing. Hey guys, just got back from the gym and totally fucking exhausted. I did boxing, and which I did after a long while. I usually do boxing like once in a week. Sometimes I do it once in 2 weeks, but it's extremely grilling and tough workout. But I love hitting the boxing bag. For some reason I don't do it more than once a week. I did that, and I've also started doing weighted crunches. I decided to do like 100 weighted crunches a day till I don't hit my fucking six pack, and I'm very irritated that I'm not hitting it. I'm at a plateau, so I'm gonna I've totally decided to leave maida. No maida at all whatsoever. Plus I'll see what extreme measures do I need to take to reach the fucking six pack. So whatever extremes I haven't hit so far, I'm going to do that now, because I'm at a point where I'm extremely irritated and not making progress. Right, so let's see what I got to do. Hey guys, just come for the show, and I entered a bit messed up in my mind because I came driving and it was quite chaotic. And I was wondering how the show will go, how many people will be there. I got late for the dinner. I wanted to reach by 8:30, but it's about 47, damn it, and I'm late for the dinner. So, but there's this percussionist guy in the band that plays here, and he was in the washroom, and he's like, "Hello sir, love what you're doing. Just keep what you're doing." That is the fucking comment of the day, man. I feel better. Hey guys, it's the day review. I just got back from the 2 shows that were there on Friday night, because it's actually Saturday night or Saturday, whatever. It's post midnight now on Saturday. I'm damn tired. I want to sleep. But I've decided not to miss the day review, so I gotta do the day review. How was the day? The day was good. I think I wasn't very productive as I would want to be. Um, I've been trying to I really need to go to some extremes to hit my six pack, which I haven't. I've hit a plateau after like losing 7-8 kilos, but after that I've hit a plateau, and I really need to go to extremes to reduce the 5 kilos that I really need to reduce. So I'm there. I'm trying. I've started doing weighted crunches from today, 100 weighted crunches. So that's something I did in the gym today. Plus I did boxing, so that was great. I had 2 shows. The shows went well, so pretty good. I had till lunch. I had only had an uttapam, and I had dinner right now, where I had chicken and one roti. So I think overall, I think managed the food fine and the gym fine, the shows fine. So I think ठीक ही गया then. Sometimes rushing so much we don't have the time to think कि हो क्या रहा है. So that's the whole point, not to rush too much, to have the time to think how life is going. Okay, bye, good night.